Welcome back everyone. Today we learn about an extremely useful Excel add-in that is known as a YASAI add-in, and this add-in is generally used for simulation purposes, and it has also some distribution functions that are extremely useful for the simulation. One useful example is a triangular distribution, which is frequently needed for doing simulations. In this add-in, this function is known as a gen triangular. You can see it here. See, it's known as a gen triangular, and you can use it also. Usually Excel doesn't have this triangular distribution function, so after installing this add-in you can have it for free. So you can see I have a add-in tab here which shows the YASAI add-in. If you don't have it, don't worry, I have given a link in the description from where you can download this add-in. After downloading it, you can go to the files, then more options, click on add-ins, then go to the go tab. From there browse to the file or folder where you have downloaded the YASAI file. Click on it, click OK, and then yes and OK. Then you will see this add-in tab and YASAI here installed. After installation, you can perform your simulations or use the functions just like I have. In order to show you how to do a simulation with the YASAI, I have set up a problem. You can set up yours also, and after setting up, you want to simulate specific variables or variables of interest. In this problem, I want to simulate two variables in this game of tennis, which for a player, how many sets is won, and if he lost or won, that is the result. So in order to simulate by YASAI, you need to give a sim output function and reference your variable of interest, just like I have. You can see it here. I have given sim output and given the reference v12 which I want, and the name of the output you can give it in a character. Similarly, for I have the results as well given in the sim output, given the reference as a v14, then the name of the output, probability of win. After setting up your sim output and the whole problem, you can just go to the add-ins, click on YASAI, click on simulation. You can give your random number seed if you want. If you don't want, don't give it. You can select your sample size. Here it is given 1000. You can give it 10,000 or 5,000. Then if everything is okay, click simulate. After few seconds, it will give you a new tab where the results will be shown. You can see the two variable of interest are here, probability of win and sets won. For 1000 observation which I have given, the mean of probability of winning is 0.644 and the sets won is 1.88. You can also see the percentile values here given. So this is how you can do simulation with the YASAI add-in. I hope you like this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you.